Boy, what?
There are 3 lights next to each other right there.
No, there were 4. There was a plane and another plane right next to each other. Now there's only one and the other one disappeared.
Maybe it turned the other way. Maybe it was turning this way and all lights were facing us. It was only one way.
Turn on your flashlight. Yeah. Hey, let's do some Snapchat. Oh, are you recording this?
Yes. We're gonna record our walk.
Get a better DJ.
Bro, that was a totally awkward silence. What did he say?
No, he didn't. He just went silent.
He was about to say something. He was like, bleh, bleh.
Dude, they're right there. Come here.
What?
Where?
Dude. Dang it, dude. I missed it.
Catch it, bro.
I'm trying. Ah, shit, dude. Right now it's not the time to have my tooth bleeding right now.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Why is it bleeding?
I have a loose tooth and I'm messing with it.
Here.
Oh, dude.
Go.
Bro, why is it going up fast now? Dude! Bro, dude! Bro, did you see that? Dude, it started going faster when we were running after it! Dude, it legit started going faster when we ran after it! Dude, once we caught it on camera, we legit... Oh my god. Bro, we started going faster!
It's gone. It's gone. Ah, my stomach.
Dude, why did it get all dark?
Dude, it went down.
Dude, you saw it, huh?
Yes, once we got closer, it started going
It started going faster.
Wow.
Bro, F that.
My
Dude,
lung
I got this all on camera.
You did?
Yes.
My right lung hurts now. It's in a cramp.
Bro,
Do you still have it on camera? Bro, should we go back? Bro, dude, it looked like it was going down.
Weird
thing starts going faster.
aircraft sighting.
Wait, is that your fault, Santana?
Yes. Oh. And I have